Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix Submit Info to access funds on PayPal. If you're getting the message Submit Info to access your funds on PayPal, don't worry. Here's how to resolve it step by step. First, log into your PayPal account and navigate to the Resolution Center. You can easily find it by clicking Help and typing Resolution Center in the search bar. Once you're there, click the article titled What's in the Resolution Center to access it directly. Inside, you'll see details about your account limitation and the specific documents PayPal requires. Typically, they'll ask for a valid government issued ID, like a passport or driver's license. Proof of address, such as a utility bill or bank statement, and if applicable, proof of business or transaction details. Make sure your photos are clear, easy to read, and match the information on your PayPal account. After uploading, PayPal will review the documents, which can take a few days. During this time, avoid making new transactions until your account is restored. Once everything checks out, your account access and your funds will be back to normal. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.